Okay.
Are you ready to start?
Recording. It should be recording,
Okay.
so hopefully it doesn't freak out again.
Yeah, it says recording on my end. Or live, at least.
Okay.
I'm not looking at mine, so I don't know what it says, but probably does say it.
Here, you're.
Ooh.
Heard me.
Okay,
You're gonna try to say no to that. Okay, so we're good.
Okay, so lesson 4 group quiz. Are we clicking on it now?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go.
Because you can
Let
join
me
in.
separate the tabs so I can see y'all and do this.
I'm gonna actually go back to my room. That's where my calculator is in case we need it.
Okay, group meeting quiz 4, right? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, hold on. Rainbow wheel. Come on. Ugh. My computer's having a brain fart. It's frozen.
Okay, Glenn's still logging on his iPad too.
All right. The prep assignment for lesson 4 wasn't too expensive, right?
No.
Okay.
Well, it was really long, but
can we just
it didn't seem hard to me.
Like, it wasn't a whole lot of information. It was just long, right?
Yeah, it only really covered like 2 topics, which was like probability and like variance and like finding the standard deviation from the variance.
Okay.
what was it, 420 or 240?
Island 3. I'm having a really hard time getting my SPSS thing to work.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like I got it, I bought it, and it like won't. It's weird. It like won't do the whole download thing on my Mac. I don't know why. It's all messed up.
You don't have enough room?
I don't know. Maybe we can look at it later.
Yeah, it took me a while to get it downloaded and everything, but
Yeah, we only got 1 gigabyte left. I'm gonna have to clean it up again.
How much space does it take up?
42, I think, gigabytes.
42?
Yeah. I don't know.
Are you sure?
Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know.
it might be megabyte or
Yeah.
that I think that's more, I don't know. I'm like,
I don't speak computer.
yeah, I don't know anything about.
I'm like, I don't know. It just won't go on. I want the SPSS thing to go on.
Yeah, that's the problem. Is I don't even have enough memory on my computer to put all my pictures in it right now. So that's another issue.
I haven't run into that issue yet, but I kind of am an active deleter. Like, I go through and just delete things that I haven't used in a while.
I've been doing that a lot lately, but I feel like it's not really making a lot of progress. I need to like go through my like iPhotos
Mm-hmm.
and just like
That'll do it.
And I've already done that. Like I spent an hour and a half doing it over the break, and I still feel like I
Do you have an external hard drive?
How much do those usually cost?
Not much. I mean, some range 1 terabyte we got for like 80 or 60 bucks.
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
That'd probably be good to like have like pictures and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So like the stuff that I use all the time is like on my actual.
Yeah, see, I have like 4 movies on my computer, so that takes up a lot of space.
Yeah.
But I do a lot of things through Chrome too, so that balances out a little bit, I think.
That's good.
You can go back on your. You have an Apple?
Yeah.
You could go back however long you've had it, and you could delete all the back history. What is that called? The time machine stuff?
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's what that's for?
Yeah. It,
I
it,
never knew what that was.
time
Yeah,
machine.
I've seen it on there. I didn't know what it was though.
Okay, so maybe you don't have it activated.
Yeah, I see Time Machine right here on my dashboard, but I've never used it.
Yeah, it's a good way to back up your system. You do it. It does it every once in a while. You can set it on automatic, and it will back up everything ever since. I mean, if you do it now, it starts from now. So everything on your computer now will back it up, and then after that, you can start deleting stuff. And if you by accident delete stuff, you can go back on Time Machine and revert to that.
So is Time Machine online, or does it just store it in a different spot on your computer?
It will store it in your computer, but also it's best to use it on an external hard drive.
Okay, thanks. I'll have to look into that. Sketches. All right, so are y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now, but I can't think.
Oh, you're already on the group quiz?
Yeah, I just opened it up to take a look, but I haven't done it yet.
Yeah, I'm on the first question.
I haven't opened it yet. Okay, I'll open it now.
Finding probability distribution. So between 0 and 1, yes.
What does probability distribution mean again? That's not the standard deviation, is it?
Yeah, up there, go up there. Select a course.
Boom.
Okay, Oh my gosh, my brain is not working right now. Okay, if you list all the outcomes of... Okay, so the 3 rules of probability. So it has to fit all 3 rules of probability, right?
Mm-hmm.
To be a probability distribution. So if it's between 0 and 1,
They all add up to 100. I've already checked.
Yeah, so I think it's true.
What's the third rule?
the third rule is the probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur.
Yeah, those are all in decimals, so they're percents, and so they're out of 1.
So are we saying true?
Yeah.
So yeah.
And I'm gonna go ahead and write these down on my notebook so I can like read them off.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then I get like that at the end.
Is this it?
So what's the probability that a random person selected has type O? It'd be 45. So it says rounded 2, so it's 0.45.
Yes.
I think we have to put the 0 in front of it, so 0.45.
I don't think it really makes a difference if the zero's in front of it or not, but
I'm just
we should
following
probably
the-
just keep it in the same format.
Yeah.
Okay, so 0.45.
Yeah. Alrighty. What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have a type O?
So that's 100 minus 45, pretty much.
65? No, 55.
55. So
Yes.
0.55. I have O blood type. I'm negative.
Never checked. It's funny because I'm going to be a vet and I'm not scared of needles, but I don't want needles in me.
I think that's kind of reasonable, though.
Okay, so now I have to read this dog thing.
It's hot here.
It's hot in my room too. Alright, so
Okay, so
5 out of 6 of the bladder samples did not have cancer.
the probability that it did is 1/6.
So the probability that they will correctly identify would be 1/6.
1/6. So do we
So what is that?
decimal form? Right.
16? 17%?
So 0.17?
Well, it says 3, so it'd be 0.167.
Yeah,
Because
0.167.
it's
But it says
because
around
it's
3
66
decimal
places.
places.
What?
Around 3 decimal places, so 0.167, right? Because 3 decimal places?
Yes.
You just mock me.
No.
So tired.
Okay, so 6, 0.167. Okay. In a combined total of
Wait, what number did you say?
for number 6,
For number 6, you got 167, right?
yeah, 0.167.
For some reason, I heard 617, and I was like, no.
Yeah, I don't want to repeat last time.
Yeah, I'd feel bad.
In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. So 22 out of 54, correct.
22 out of 54.
Yeah. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that the dog can detect bladder cancer. This is little evidence a dog can detect bladder cancer. I don't know. I mean, it's about half. It's a little less than half.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're comparing pretty much 41% to 16.7%.
Yeah.
But for me, I would say that it had to be over 50%
Yeah,
for
that's what I
it
was
to be
thinking.
strong evidence.
Yeah.
They didn't really talk about this in the video.
Yeah, so it doesn't really say like what makes it strong or not.
Wow.
I know there's like when something has statistical significance,
Scared me.
but I think that's a little different.
Yeah, so I think maybe just put little evidence and we have a second guess.
Yeah. Are we gonna have where like one person submits it?
Yeah, I mean we all get 2 tries anyways and there's only 2 answers, so
Yeah. But if we do it that way, then we kind of get like a third
no,
chance.
yeah, I agree. But yeah, it's only 41%, so I'd guess little evidence.
Okay, let's do little evidence for attempt 1.
Yeah. All right, number 8. 13%.
So 1/6 again. Right? Wait,
Why is green still out?
Probably because we're gonna have to calculate it. Yep.
well, that's out on their thing.
Okay, so we have to add up all the other ones.
Put that over there.
So we have 84. So it's 16.16.
So green is 0.16.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So probability of drawing red colored candy is 0.13.
Yes.
Number 9, probability is green, 0.16.
Not green.
So what did you guys get for not green?
0.84.
Okay. That's what I did. I just wanted to make sure I was doing it right.
Yeah. Hold on, let me go back and write these down. I forgot to do that for the last couple.
Okay. I have like OCD where I like to see where they're all saved on the side.
Yeah.
So I like go back and save any I missed.
Yeah. So do we need to find like the median?
So for this one, it says half the observations are less than or equal to what number, and it's going to be the median, so 24.
24.
Yeah, 24, right?
Yeah. That's funny because I didn't see that they were labeled like that, and I was like, ugh, we need to write these out and find the median. It was right there, so now I'm
calculate it.
So the top quartile, based on the information in the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? So that should be Q1, right?
It's gonna be Q3.
Q3.
Because it's top 25, not...
Oh.
So, like, 25 is gonna include 75% of the data.
Makes sense.
Because it's 25 to 100. But if you're looking for 25 to 1... Or for, like, 100 to
Top
25.
25%?
Yeah. I don't know if
Okay.
I find making any sense.
No, it did. So 27?
Yes.
Which probably statements is not one of the 3 rules. I have them written down. Let's see.
Okay, I just watched this video.
What? 27?
If you list all the outcomes of a probability experiment, the probability that one of the outcomes will occur is 1. The sum of the probabilities of any probability is 1. A probability is a number between 0 and 1. And the probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur.
So is it the third option? Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I can submit. And first, I'm going to go through and read them, so follow along, I guess. And I'll read what answers we have.
Okay.
Okay, so number 3, true, 0.45, 0.55, 0.167, the one that starts with little evidence, or has little evidence, and then 8 is 0.13, 0.16, 0.84, 24, 27, and then the third choice on the last one.
Okay.
Okay, so I will submit. I hope it's 100.
I know, I'm like...
We missed 2. Alright. We missed question 7, so I guess it is strong evidence.
Oh, come on, why won't my things... Oh, so did it? Okay.
And then question 6. If the dog is selecting at random, most probably it'll quickly identify the dish containing a specimen of bladder cancer. So question 6 is wrong.
Okay.
Might just be a rounding thing. Let me see.
And those are the only 2 we missed.
Yeah, number 6. So it's not point zero. I can't talk. I'm so tired. 0.167. It's not 0.166.
So wait, what are you saying it is?
I was thinking maybe because sometimes
7. Oh, there's 7 bowls containing.
There's 7 bowls. That's what I did. I did 1/6.
Sorry,
yeah, so it's 1/6.
That's why I did 1/6 too. So it's
1 point.
It's 0.143.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's number 6, 0.143.
Okay.
So do you guys
Sorry,
want to
guys.
change those 2 and submit it and see?
Yeah.
What was the number 5? 1, 5.
Hang on, I gotta do it again.
I have a cheesy song stuck in my head.
Okay. 100. Those are the 2.
Yee doggies.
Yee dog.
Okay, sorry, I had to redo mine. Go back.
You okay?
Yeah, my head just like it's not like a headache. It's like my bones are randomly hurting.
I hate that. That happens to me all the time.
Why did you say?
It doesn't make sense.
Okay, guys, what's number 4? Sorry.
0.45.
And number 5?
0.55. You're asking the exact ones I'm typing in. That's funny.
Like right as you're on them.
Yeah.
So 6 we decided was
0.143.
okay.
And then 7 is there's strong evidence that the
So
dog.
the first option.
Yeah. And 8.
Um, 8 was 0.13.
Yeah. 0.16. Then 0.84. And then 24. And then 27.
I really need to turn my messages off from like where they like text you every single grade update. Because it's like right after I take a quiz, I get a text and it's like, I know, I saw my score.
How do you, isn't there a way to like have it to text you due dates?
Yeah, it does that too. Well,
How
it
do
tells
you-
me when something's 2 days away, not the day it's due, which,
That's kind of dumb.
yeah, I'm a little bit of a procrastinator. That does nothing for me.
Yeah, like, oh, I have 2 days.
I have 2 whole days, man. I
Okay,
don't need that.
so we're good on this. So I just need to copy paste this link when I press stop recording into the group discussion board.
Yeah, and then I'll make sure. And then I guess maybe under the link, in case it doesn't work, just say group 9 met, and then we can comment on it.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
just-
I haven't commented on anything yet. Am I going to get docked points for that?
I think so. You might need to go through and do that. I know I posted something that needs to be checked off.
Group 9.
I just thought it was like as long as...
I don't know. I think he looks at those for participation.
Okay, so is it... Did you label it group 9? What am I...
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, I know I posted it a little while back. I wish there was a way to like tag you guys in it.
Yeah.
I need to do that too then.
Let's see. I posted it.
Question?
I called it Group 9, Lesson 3.
Group 9, okay. I'm just gonna post on all of them. Okay. So you're probably gonna get like a bunch of notifications from me, like I commented. Just kidding.
Just kidding. It's fine.
It'll only be 3 or 4.
Okay. So I guess we're good. Did we have a plan on when to meet next? We don't. Do we have to meet again until next week, or lesson 5 is due
We have one more quiz, I think, this week.
due Friday. So when can you guys meet again?
I could do tomorrow or Thursday.
Let me look. I'm sorry, I have so much to do.
Okay.
I guess if anything, probably Wednesday because I'm taking 2 tests on Friday. So, Thursday's pretty much gonna be dedicated to stuff.
Yeah, Thursday's nuts for me too. So I guess, yeah, tomorrow will work for me. I mean, still gonna be busy, but just gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, but then it'll be done and we won't have to worry about it.
Exactly.
So, are we doing it what day?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
So I'll have to work on this stuff tomorrow during the day.
Wait,
get
so
the
we're
ready.
meeting on Wednesday?
Yeah. So I'll also have to look at the prep and take the homework quiz for lesson 4. So I can be ready for that.